Hello everybody, how are you? Warmly welcome back to Crochet Mart, very smart and unique ideas. Dear viewers, as like before, today also we brought something special for you. So just leave everything for now and watch this video with full concentrations. We will share creative and inspiring tips for crocheting. Today's video is all about modern, unique and different design of crochet bags. So we'll be going over some techniques to consider you to select the perfect design and perfect crocheting. Dear viewers, first of all, if you still not subscribe the channel, please subscribe it now. Press bell icon also. If you found it helpful, don't forget to share and like the video so that your friends also can watch such type of unique and beautiful video. Modern crochet bags offer a variety of benefits that make them popular and practical. Here are some advantages of using crochet bags. The first and the main one is eco-friendly. Crochet bags are often made from natural fibers, reducing plastic use and helping the environment. Customizable. You can easily personalize crochet bag with color pattern to suit your style. Durability. Crochet bags are typically strong and can last for years when properly cared for. Lightweight. Unlike many other bags, crochet bags are lightweight and comfortable to carry. Breathable. The woven structure allows air circulation, preventing odor buildup. Sustainable materials. Many crochet bags use sustainable yarn like cotton, lineless, or jute, make them eco-versatile. Sustainable for a range of occasions from casual outing to more formal events. Timeless design. Crochet bags have a classic artistic look that remains stylish across different trends. Unique patterns. Handcrafted crochet bags often feature intricate, unique designs that stand out. Impact and foldable. Many crochet bags can be folded or packed away easily, making them great for travel. Dear viewers, if you really love to watch this video, don't forget to share and like so that your friends also can watch such type of unique and beautiful video. Thank you for watching.